If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, this is the perfect time to do it. AI tools are now powerful, affordable, and easy enough that anyone can build high-quality content with nothing more than a script and a few clicks. Today, we'll be breaking down the best AI options to help you launch and grow a faceless YouTube channel, no matter your niche. First up, script writing. Before you create any visuals, you need a script that hooks attention and keeps viewers watching. AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can help you brainstorm topics, write amazing scripts, summarize research, and stay consistent. They're great because they speed up your workflow, help you build a unique style, and are perfect for storytelling, finance, mysteries, or educational content. Plus, you can get started for cheap or even free. Next, you need a voice. If you don't want to use your own AI, narration tools are a game changer. 11 Labs and PlayAct can produce natural, professional-sounding voices that fit any theme: dramatic, calm, corporate, mysterious, you name it. This is super important because voice is a major part of viewer retention. You can choose different accents, genders, and tones, which is perfect for faceless channels focused on stories, horror, finance, or documentaries. Now, for the visuals. This is where your faceless channel really comes to life. Runway ML is famous for its realistic, cinematic AI video creation. It's perfect for mysteries, crime stories, or anything atmospheric. Pika Labs is another fantastic option, especially for shorter, stylized clips, animations, and YouTube shorts. Both tools offer text-to-video generation, so you can create stunning custom scenes in AI bi-roll without ever picking up a camera. If you want something fast and beginner-friendly, check out complete video builders like NVIDIA or VDAO. These tools let you create entire videos from just a script. They use templates, stock clips, automatic captions, and AI voiceovers. You don't need any editing experience. Just drop in your script, choose your visuals, and export. These are amazing for finance channels, list videos, tutorials, and news updates. Finally, editing and final touches. Even with AI-generated clips, you'll want a clean edit. CapCut is one of the best free editors available, and it's packed with AI features. It offers auto captions, transitions, AI cleanup tools, effects, and text animations. It's the perfect tool for polishing your final video to look professional and engaging. Starting a faceless YouTube channel has never been easier. Whether you're making mystery videos, finance tips, or motivational content, AI can handle the heavy lifting. All you need is a script, a voice, some visuals, and the right tools. With the options we covered, you can launch your channel today and start posting videos within hours. No microphone and no studio required. Thanks for watching.